You're watching TinTon TV. Let's learn and play.
Wake up,